Alright, so I got the MBRP exhaust for the, I'm just going to say the GM 2500 heavy duty, whatever the Chevy trim is, that's coincides with the GMC Sierra AT4. Yeah. So from my understanding, so that MBRP doesn't have to make a bunch of different part numbers to match up with all the different bed configurations and the cab configurations. They just they give you the one of the pipes that's like full length, and then yeah, it kind of doesn't work well for people that are trying to do it themselves, you know, at home, because they need you to cut it down to size so that it will fit the configuration that you have on your truck. You know, short cab, short cab, or single cab, short bed, regular cab, etc., etc. And this is just the, this is not the 304 stainless. This is the, just the lower grade, but it's going to do the, it's going to work the same, and stainless steel will eventually rust regardless of what anyone says. But I got it off of AutoZone. They were having a sale for the month of July. Like July savings was the coupon code. Took off like $103 or something like that. Shipping and the tax was like $30. It was like $30. So all in all, shipped to the door, it was $444, I think. Just gonna do a little quick unboxing here to show the goods. Let's see, and this is a 4-inch exhaust into a 5-inch muffler tip, whatever you want to classify it as. Here's all the kind of like band clamps. Here's the tip. Just the tip. Just the tip right here in this box. And yeah, this is just the catback. So let's see, we got, I'll open the exhaust tip up. They have a black tip. I don't remember how much extra money it was, but it wasn't anything ridiculous if you want to go with that one. But then they have this polished tip, and it has the MBRP right there. See that? It's a single side exit, and it's on the passenger side, and it cuts out of there at an angle after the fender. But here's this. It's a 5-inch tip. You get that. All right. This? No, not like that. All right. What do you know? probably the one and only time that you can get something that fits in the original. Yeah, so it's 4-inch diameter, and then the outer diameter is 5-inch. It's ankle cut, and it's a rolled tip. It's right there, and it's a foot long. And then yeah, it looks like just straight to the point. We got a section. Like I said, it's not the 304 stainless, but it's going to do just good. There's a significant savings on the cost. Here's another bend right here. Yeah, here's another bend right here. Section. Oh, I think what I'll do is I'll stand it up out here so you guys can see the sections. Let's see. Well, I guess I should have just unboxed the hardware inside here. Different clamps. Put you guys down here. Alright, so yeah, we got exhaust pipe clamps. I do like that there's no flanges for the most part. There's just this one over here where it probably hooks up to the end of the stock stuff, and then that just connects to the stock item. Let's see, yeah. So set you down right here. I'll put you back up here. Oh, got a it's like a little gel sticker. We'll put that back on there. Good, better than how it came. Okay, there's the warranty right here. And then, okay, so instructions. It shows the different components. Please read before starting installation. You gotta do your inventory to make sure that you received everything. So yeah, it's the 2020 up Chevy GMC 2500, 3500 HD 6.6 liter gasoline, not the diesel. Catback 4-inch single side street version, single tip. And then okay, here we go. Front and back right here, removal of the stock system. And then okay, so we'll go ahead and lay the pieces out one by one.